Good morning. Welcome back to the Idea Lab and welcome back to Finding Your Voice. This week we're going to focus on kit number 2, My Marionette. This week we're telling the story of ourselves. We're finding ways that we can express ourselves through different activities and through different means. Today we're going to make a puppet, a marionette puppet. You're going to need the following items that you're going to find in your kit. You're going to have a craft stick. You're going to have a large wooden round ball, and you're going to have several small wooden balls. You should have 6 of those all together. Then you're going to have a little thread spool. This will be the body of your puppet. This will be the head, and all the small balls will be the joints. You're also going to find you'll have series of small cut straw pieces. These will be the body segments, arms, and legs. Also, you have 2 strains of fishing line that you will need for this activity. Also for this activity that's not in your kit that you're going to want to have is some markers or crayons, colored pencils, something to decorate your puppet with, and some Scotch tape. You will need all of the following items. To assemble your puppet, I'm not going to go into much detail in the video today, but you will notice that in our website we have step-by-step directions for how to assemble our puppet. If you follow these directions, they're very clear and easy to follow and very helpful in assembling your marionette. When you are done, he should look something like this. This is a marionette that I created. You can see him here. He's kind of decorated like a Ninja Turtle. But this is one that we made here at the office. And you can make him dance and move around and see what you can do with your marionette once you have made it. Please be sure to check out some of our videos as well. There is an extra video on our website this week that is an interview with a puppeteer. Also focus on this week's Career Connection performing artist, and learn a little bit about those that share their story through the means of art and media. Thank you for joining me today. Have a great time assembling your puppet. I'm excited to see what they look like, and I look forward to seeing you next time.